This is a real quick video for my MKS owners who's also told, like me, you couldn't change the head unit in these cars. That music you hear, and I don't own the rights to it. I want to make that clear. But you bring your MKS to Elite Audio and Bagger, you can get whatever you want done to that thing. Yeah, you ain't gonna believe it till you see it for yourself. MKS. Nothing's cut or altered. Yep. Nothing's butchered, nothing's altered here at Elite Audio and Bagger. We also added a 12-volt socket, USB port to charge cell phones, and also a voltmeter we added. Yeah. You want it done and you want it done right, get at us.
You see more vivid colors, green and blue when it happens to you.